Hello and welcome to Kelson's Thoughts, where we go where our minds brings us. And without wasting any time, we're going to go right into the topic, which is polygamy. If you already know what polygamy is, type it in the comment as to what you think it is before following the rest of this video. If you don't know what it is, and this video was enlightening towards you, I would also like you to post that in the comments. So polygamy, what it is. Polygamy is the practice of being married to more than one spouses. Under that umbrella of polygamy, we have polygyny, which is where we see one man having more than one wives. We have polyandry, where one woman has more than one husbands. And we also have group marriages, which is where multiple wives and husbands come together to form a single family. Let us delve a little bit deeper into polygyny. First, we have sororal polygyny, which is where the wives are related. For example, they may be sisters. We have non-sororal polygyny, where the wives are unrelated. On the polyandry side of it, we have fraternal, where we have the husbands being related. For example, again, they may be brothers. And we have non-fraternal polyandry, where the husbands are unrelated. Right? Fascinatingly enough, I think most of us may know this, but the practice of polygamy is more frequent in African regions. And we have a thing called the polygamy belt, which consists of West and Central Africa, due to how prevalent polygamy is in that area. Polygamy is not legal in other countries. Two examples are Jamaica and the United States. So to get around the legalities of this, you may have a traditional monogamous relationship where the man is married to the woman or the woman is married to the man, or however you want to put it. Will have a third party involved in the relationship. Oftentimes you even see this person moving in with the couple. It is not as uncommon as a lot of people may make it out to be. Sometimes we have unspoken agreements where the man or the woman may know that their partner is seeing someone else, and they're just okay with it. So it is basically down to what best suits you. That is something you need to sit down and think about. Ask yourself some questions. Is it appealing to you, sharing your partner? Is the idea of having more than one person living under one roof appealing to you? Even though you may have polygamous relationships where different partners live separately, nonetheless, it's still a fascinating question to ask as you may reach that point. As to whether the trust issues it happens in monogamous relationships as well. It's not something that is unique to polygamous relationships. The idea of cheating is not unique to polygamous relationships either. Misconceptions as it relates to polygamy is where a lot of people may believe that polygamous relationships are more prone to STDs, which that is not the case. Your proneness to STDs is dependent on how safe you practice sex, your hygiene. It may also be believed that people that do this are greedy. Also, that is not the case. It just may be that this person is the person for you, and it's also the person for someone else. And instead of finding someone else who you may not be as compatible with, you decide to make it work. So it boils down to what is best for you. And if it's not for you, that is also fine. But as usual, thank you for tuning in. And please subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. And if you have any specific topics you want me to go over, please to put it in the comment section as well, or you can email me at kelsonthoughts@gmail.com. Have a wonderful day.